Welcome to my channel Linux for Life. Please help support my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Today we're going to be covering VPNs on Ubuntu 18.04. What I found, the previous version of Ubuntu was totally fine. Since this new update, people are having problems installing the VPN servers on 18.04. But anyway, I found a little solution for the time being. What you need to have to follow this tutorial is a VPN account. I already have a VPN account with IPVanish. There's many out there, you can use anyone. The first thing you need to do is go and download the server list, which I have already done. So there you are, the server list. We've got loads of servers there. So I've already picked one. Okay, for this demonstration, I'm going to first log into a VPN. Let's call it a previously configured one. Okay, I've logged in and I just want to show you my IP address. So let's click Google. Okay, my IP. And as you can see, this is my IP address 104.238.44.80. Okay, back over there. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open up settings. So this is how we do it. Yeah, you want to go to network, and here you'll find the wired connection, the Bluetooth connection, and the VPN connection. Next to the VPN on the same line, you find the plus button. As you can see, these are all the previously configured um, servers. Click the add button. I chose point-to-point tunneling, and here just name it whatever you want to name it. I'll call it Brussels because as the VPN is in Brussels. Okay. At gateway, what you need to do is get the server file, open it, and see this line here. You need either the IP address or the URL, which is pointing to the server. Copy this and enter it into the gateway. Where it says username, here you want to add the username which you use to log into your VPN account. So I'll just enter my one. Okay, for some reason it's not allowing no to put your password in. So click advanced and tick use point-to-point encryption and click OK. Now you want to add this VPN to your list. So there at the bottom you can see, I'm just going to log off this one. You can see Brussels VPN is here. So now when you click over here now, it's going to ask you for the password, and the password is the same password what you use for your VPN account. So I'll enter mine. And once you see this padlock over here, that should indicate that you're connected. So to double check, just open Google Chrome, bring it over here. So my previous started with IP address started with 104, I believe. So now there you are. It's 77.243.191.121. And that's how you configure a VPN in Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate your support. Also, if you want me to cover any other topic, just leave a comment below and I'll address it hopefully. Thank you very much.